funny how familiar we get with numbers and how easy all this stuff starts to seem. And then the teacher says, well, how do we turn a decimal into a fraction? And you go, yeah. I'm Adam Reich with WonderfulTutor.com. Let's talk about it. Let's start today with the number 0.125 and see if we can figure out how to turn that decimal into a fraction. Well, it really all comes down to knowing your place values. Let's talk really quickly about that. Everybody knows the most basic place values, right? Like if we look at the number 398, what do each of those digits represent? Well, the 8 represents either what we call the ones digit or the units digit. The 9 represents the tens digit, and the 3 represents the hundreds digit. Pretty simple, right? But when we go into decimals, I'll put a decimal right here and a few numbers after it, 7, 6, 5, 4, let's say. We still need to really know what those place values are. So hopefully you know that there is no once place, but there is a tenths place. And after that, of course, would be the hundredths place, then the thousandths place, and after that is the 10,000ths place, and on and on and on and on and on, right? All right. So this is really the key to solving this problem. I want you to look back at the original decimal now. 0.125. What is the place value of the last digit, the one furthest on the right, the 5? It's the thousandths place, isn't it? Well, in order to solve this, all we have to do is put all those numbers that come after the decimal, that is 125, and put that over 1,000, and we have our fraction. We should still reduce it, right? So what's the biggest number that goes into both 125 and 1,000? 125. So 125 goes into 125 once. 125 goes into 1,000 8 times. And our final answer, 1/8. I hope that helped you. If you learned something today, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. I'm Adam Reich with WonderfulTutor.com, and I'll see you next time.